My name is Wordshot. Wordshot. Can you use it to give us one of those those quotes? Yeah, I know you have used something on Matthias. You have said something on Iman. You have said something on everything. Or can you give us our own? This is so that we can go with it.
Okay, what your media outfit will go home with?
Yes.
Okay.
And her name is Blessing, but her nickname is Sarah Love.
Sarah Love. Okay.
You know, so I don't know if you can give us something to go home with.
Okay, and that your name is
Wordshot.
Wordshot.
And this is Babandu TV too.
Babandu TV. Okay. Sarah Love. Amakwo Babandu TV. Sarah Love Amakwo Babandu TV. God is great.
Thank you very much.
God is great.
And Okorowawa.
Okay, Okorowawa. Yeah.
Your brother.
My brother.
I'm trying to mentor him.
I'm happy for him. God has blessed him. God has blessed him.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sarah Love, can you talk to our viewers? Okay. I don't know. You're a technical person. Okay. Just to round up, we really want to know. Okay. If you said you're a professor and we agree, did you study theater or how did you? Can you give us a little bit of what that's
apart from the primary schools like Owe Primary School, Owe, where I was born, then a Owe urban area where we returned to after the war, a primary school, the Owe urban area primary school. I think in 1972 we left primary school and entered the College of Immaculate Conception, CSC in Enugu, where my class and schoolmates were two former governors of Enugu State, Shimaroke Namani, Sullivan Chime. I finished in 76, 77 sets. Then left the shores of this country for West Germany. Why West Germany? Because the younger brother to my father, who turned out to be the first lawyer we had in Amoko town, JDC, studied there law and married a German lady called Helen, who is no more now, who gave him 3 children, Mike, John, Mike, and Donald. That was a female, but died. You know, so when I left CIC, they made it possible because my own father used his entire resources, land and so on and so forth, to help him when he was abroad. So there was this understanding that they will now help people like me to study university and abroad, you know. So they planned and made it possible for me to come over there. At that time there was this German divide because you don't forget that there used to be one Germany, and that one Germany was run by Hitler, who wanted to rule the whole world, then came up against the whole world, but along the line was defeated by the Allied forces. America was there, Russia was there, Britain was there. So when Germany was defeated, it was divided into 2. The Western Germany for the Western world, the Eastern Germany for places like Russia. So it was this Western Germany that my uncle exploited, that they made possible for me now to exploit, where I did dramatic arts in a Munchen College. Munchen College. So
you actually studied drama in a school?
The background is that strong. It is the feats achieving could not have taken shape if there was no subject related. You know, I did dramatic arts, and if not the fact that I didn't want to be a school thing, I would have been in university lecturing. But I never opted for anything to confine me somewhere. There were 2 choices, political science and dramatic arts, that will give me opportunity of talking to a large population of people. Till tomorrow I can't do without talking choice. But in terms of political engineering, I can be part of it today, but not the type done in Nigeria, which is deadly. Which is deadly. I'm still angry with the government that in Kogi State, when there were election business between PDP and APC, a woman politician was not only killed by burnt in her house. The governor, Yahaya Bello, is not investigating till today. Buhari at the federal level is not investigating till today. So if it is the way to play politics in Nigeria, you count me out of it. But if you come today as a student of politics, I can still lecture you on politics. You know, but I'm now majoring in drama, and drama is giving me everything I had wanted, I still want in my life in the world. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you very much.